Got to end it there because we're simply out of time.
Flood warning in effect from late tonight until further notice. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Black River at Pocahontas. When? From late tonight until further notice. Impacts at 17.0 feet. Agricultural lands along the river east and south of Pocahontas will be impacted by high water. Equipment and livestock should be moved to higher ground. Additional details at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time Sunday. The stage was 16.3 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage just after midnight tonight and continue rising to 17.5 feet Saturday morning, February 3rd. Additional rises are possible thereafter. Flood stage is 17.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/